Hello student, I am Satish Tyagi to teach class 12th. Subject is physics. Some important formula. Chapter number 3, part number 4. I have tell you 14 formula before 3 videos. Now I am telling to you formula number 15. What is EMF? Electromotive force. EMF means electromotive force. It is the maximum potential difference between two terminals of the cell when circuit is open. Suppose this is a cell. This is a cell. This is negative terminal. This is positive terminal. And any resistance is connected here. And a key is connected here. Key is connected here. If no current is flow in the circuit, if no current is flow in the circuit, then terminal potential of the cell is called EMF of the cell. It is denoted by capital E. EMF, it is the maximum potential difference between two terminal of the cell. ये सेल के दो टर्मिनल हो गए, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव. मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सपोज दिस इज E, this is E. When circuit is open circuit है, तभी maximum potential difference of the terminal is called electromotive force of the cell. It is denoted by the capital E. Now I am telling to formula number 16. Formula number 16, series combination of the resistance. Series combination of the resistance. Let three resistance are R1, R2 and R3 given. Then equivalent resistance EQ equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus etc. others. If the resistance is connected in series, the series combination is this type. Here resistance R1, here resistance R2, here resistance is R3. This is the R1, this is R2, this is R3. Then net resistance that is R, EQ. In series combination, the terminal are connected this way. Now I am telling to you formula number 17. In this parallel combination of the resistance, suppose three resistance R1 and R2 are given. Three resistance, formula number 17, R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel combination. Then the equivalent resistance REQ, that is 1 upon REQ equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. In this combination, resistance are connected in this way. Suppose this is resistance R1, This is resistance R2. This is resistance R3. R3 are connected this way. The equivalent resistance Req, equivalent resistance Req is this. Equivalent resistance Req is it. In this combination, we know that the first terminal of the resistance are connected in one point and second side of the resistance are connected other side. This is the way of combination of the parallel resistance. In this combination, the total potential of each resistance is same and current is different. Current is different. Current let the here I1, here I2 and here I3. Then total current I equal to, this is I. The total current I equal to होगा I1 plus I2 plus I3 and potential is same all resistance, that is V. Potential all resistance is same. Now I am telling to you formula number 18. The formula number 18 is 18 internal resistance small r, the resistance offered by the electrolyte of the cell to the flow of the current through it. Suppose this is a cell and these are electrode. In this solution, the resistance is R. Suppose this is a cell, this is positive, this is negative, and resistance of this solution is called internal resistance of the cell. Internal resistance is denoted by small r, the resistance offered by the electrolyte of the cell. This is the electrolyte of the cell to the flow of the current through it. Now I am telling to you terminal potential difference. Terminal potential difference the terminal potential difference, let this is the a cell is connected in this these resistance. Here this is the key and resistance is R1, resistance is R2, resistance is R3 and this is the positive terminal and negative terminal of the cell. The current direction is this here. The potential difference between these two terminals is called terminal potential. That is here V1 and potential difference between these terminals that is V2 and potential difference between these two terminals that is V3. The potential difference of the terminals is called terminal potential difference. It is denoted by the V and it is the EMF, electromotive force of the cell. This is the key. The electromotive force is potential difference of the cell when no current is flow from the cell. Now other formulas I tell you in next videos. Now I am telling you some about formula number 17. The formula number 17 here, this is the series combination of the resistance. In this combination, suppose this is positive, this is negative, it is the potential EMF of the cell, that is resistance R1, resistance R2 and resistance R3. In series combination, current is same all resistance. Current is same in all resistance, and potential difference between two terminals is different. Here this is the potential difference V1 and this is the potential difference V2 and this is the potential difference V3. In series combination always current is same but potential is different and resistance is different. Now I have complete formula number 19 up to 19. Next formulas I give you in next videos. Thank you.